Ready to make your home do more of the work for you? These clever Amazon smart home gadgets handle the little tasks that quietly eat up your time every day. From automating routines to simplifying daily chores, they help your home run smoother without extra effort. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Take your shower entertainment to the next level with this waterproof phone holder. Its IPX6 rated design keeps your phone safe from splashes and steam, while the 480 degrees rotatable and adjustable mount lets you find the perfect viewing angle. The clear TPU front preserves HD display and touch sensitivity, even with thick cases. Easy to install with strong adhesive hooks, it's perfect for watching videos, listening to music, or staying connected while showering. Print anywhere, anytime with this portable wireless printer. This printer delivers sharp 300 DPI prints without ink, so you save money and avoid messy cartridges. It handles multiple paper sizes, from A4 to small rolls, making it perfect for notes, documents, or DIY projects. A long-lasting rechargeable battery keeps you printing over 160 pages continuously. Lightweight, easy to carry in its included case, and Bluetooth ready, it's ideal for travel, office, school, or home use. Make perfectly even dough portions in seconds. This electric dough divider slices large batches into 20 equal pieces, saving time and eliminating uneven cuts. The 304 stainless steel tray and non-stick blades make cleaning effortless, while the quiet copper motor does the work for you. Compact and mobile with swivel casters, it's easy to move around any kitchen or bakery. Ideal for bread, pizza, cookies, or pastries, it's a must-have for busy restaurants and bakeries. Say goodbye to cold feet at your desk. This under-desk heater wraps your legs and feet in cozy warmth, retaining most of its heat for all-day comfort. 3 adjustable temperature settings let you choose the perfect level, while quiet operation and energy-saving design make it ideal for work or home. The zippered cover and Velcro closure keep heat in, and tip-over protection ensures safety. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for offices, dorms, studios, or even tents. Keep your pantry and pet area perfectly organized with this dual dry food dispenser. 2 airtight containers hold up to 17.5 ounces each, keeping cereal, snacks, or dog food fresh for weeks. The twist knob dispenses precise 1-ounce portions, while the bottom tray catches crumbs for easy cleanup. Made from durable, scratch-resistant plastic, it's easy to refill and monitor thanks to the clear canisters. Compact and stylish, it saves space while making mealtime effortless and tidy. Cleaning windows just got effortless. This cordless electric squeegee vacuums water and soap with 2,000 pascals of suction, leaving glass surfaces streak-free in seconds. The long-lasting rechargeable battery lets you clean multiple windows without stopping, while the detachable 150 milliliter water tank makes emptying simple. Its extra-wide 280mm blade covers more surface in a single swipe, and it works on mirrors, shower doors, tiles, and even car windshields. Say goodbye to drips, streaks, and endless wiping. Toast exactly the way you like it, every time. This slim 2-slice toaster fits neatly on any countertop without taking up space. The extra long slot handles thick breads, bagels, or artisan slices with ease. 6 shade settings plus reheat and cancel buttons put you in full control. A high lift lever, removable crumb tray, and cord wrap make cleanup and use simple. Stylish, compact, and perfect for daily breakfast needs. Pitting cherries has never been this fast or easy. This handheld cherry pitter removes pits in just 1 second without bruising your fruit. The rebound design means you press once and the tool springs back, saving your hands from fatigue. Made from stainless steel and food-safe silicone, it's durable, easy to clean, and locks compactly for storage. Perfect for jam, desserts, or snacking. It turns cherry prep into a breeze. Take the guesswork out of cooking and baking. This digital measuring jug lets you weigh, measure volume, and even check temperature all in one tool. The detachable LCD display makes reading easy from any angle, while precise sensors ensure accurate results every time. Perfect for liquids, powders, and ingredients of all kinds. It helps you follow recipes perfectly. Lightweight, easy to clean, and designed for everyday kitchen use. It's a handy gadget you'll reach for constantly. Laundry on the go just got way easier. This mini portable washer lets you deep clean underwear, socks, and delicate clothes anywhere. Apartment, dorm, RV, or hotel. With 2 quick wash modes and a high-speed motor, it tackles stains fast. The splash-proof design and rechargeable battery mean you can use it anywhere without hassle. Gentle hand scrub action plus blue light sterilization keeps your clothes fresh and hygienic every time. Tired of struggling with heavy furniture? This furniture lifter and slider set makes moving sofas, tables, and appliances a breeze. Just lift with the lever, place the sliders, and glide your furniture smoothly in any direction. The 360 degrees rotating wheels prevent dragging and protect your floors from scratches. It supports up to 220 pounds and is compact enough to store easily, making rearranging or cleaning around your home effortless. Light up your outdoor space without touching a single switch. These solar wall lights charge all day and turn on automatically at dusk, giving you warm, cozy illumination until morning. Motion sensors keep your porch, walkway, or garden safe, while the crackled glass adds a stylish touch. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, they stand up to rain, snow, and sun without fading. Easy to install, no wiring needed, and perfect for any outdoor spot. Tired of cords taking over your desk or nightstand? These spring cable clips keep all your charging cables and wires neatly in place. The 360 degrees rotatable design lets you spin and reposition cords without fuss, while the quick spring lock snaps them in securely in just 1 second. Strong adhesive sticks to almost any surface without leaving residue, and installation takes seconds, no tools needed. With 12 clips included, you can organize your desk, bedside, or even car effortlessly. Want to take your gut health into your own hands? This probiotic yogurt maker lets you culture trillions of live probiotics right at home. You can adjust the temperature and timer to create the perfect environment for your yogurt, making every batch packed with healthy bacteria. Fresh, homemade yogurt tastes better and skips the extra sugar and preservatives. It comes with large glass containers and a BPA-free design for safe, everyday use. Ever wish you could invite nature right into your home? This window bird feeder gives you a front row seat to birds up close, letting you watch their colors, movements, and quirky behaviors in vivid detail. It's made from durable materials that resist rust, weather, and even squirrels, so it lasts for years. Fits most windows easily, turning any space into a bird-watching haven. It's lightweight, easy to refill, and perfect for sharing the joy of nature. Tired of hunting for lost keys, wallets, or remotes? This key finder makes misplacing things a thing of the past. Just press the button on the remote, and the attached receiver beeps loudly, guiding you straight to your item. Built-in LED lights help you spot things in the dark. With a long range and included batteries, it's perfect for busy homes or forgetful friends. Slicing bananas doesn't have to be a sticky, slow mess. This banana slicer lets you cut a whole banana into even pieces in seconds. Just place the banana in the slot and press down, perfect for kids, breakfast bowls, or fruit salads. The stainless steel blades are safe and won't cut your fingers, while the durable plastic frame is easy to clean. It works on soft fruits like strawberries too, making prep quick and simple. Leftover pizza boxes take up way too much space in the fridge. This reusable pizza container neatly stacks your slices in one compact holder. Flexible walls expand or collapse depending on how many pieces you're saving. Separate trays keep each slice from sticking together and double as plates when reheating. Just pop a slice in the microwave and enjoy pizza that stays fresh and ready whenever you want it. Washing your hands shouldn't mean touching a messy soap pump. This automatic soap dispenser releases the perfect amount of soap the moment you place your hand underneath. The built-in infrared sensor detects motion instantly, giving you a completely touch-free experience. Adjustable settings let you control how much soap comes out each time. With its clear container and sleek design, it keeps your sink cleaner and your hand washing more hygienic. Your daily shower can feel like standing under a warm summer rain. This rainfall shower system pours water from a wide overhead head that covers your whole body. Switch to the handheld sprayer when you need more control for rinsing or cleaning. A built-in thermostat keeps the temperature steady, so the water won't suddenly turn too hot or cold. The adjustable slide bar makes it comfortable for both kids and adults to use. Craving a fresh smoothie without dragging out a big blender? This portable personal blender makes it quick and effortless. Just add fruit, ice, or juice, press the button, and it blends everything into a smooth drink in seconds. The powerful motor crushes ingredients easily, while the compact cup doubles as your drinking bottle. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for home, the office, or taking healthy drinks on the go. Wet boots can ruin your whole day before it even starts. This boot dryer pushes warm air deep inside your footwear to dry it from the inside out. Adjustable drying ports reach into tall boots, gloves, and other gear with ease. The gentle heat removes moisture while helping prevent odor buildup. Set the built-in timer, walk away, and come back to warm, dry boots ready for your next adventure. Cold rooms can ruin your comfort in minutes. This plug-in space heater delivers warm air exactly where you need it without taking up floor space. Just plug it into a wall outlet and control the temperature with a digital thermostat or the included remote. A built-in timer lets you set how long it runs, saving energy while keeping you cozy. The compact design quietly heats small spaces like offices, bedrooms, or bathrooms. Laundry piles up fast, but folding it doesn't have to be your job anymore. This automatic laundry folding machine takes freshly washed clothes and neatly folds them for you in seconds. Just place a shirt, towel, or pair of pants into the slot and watch it do the work. Smart sensors guide the fabric into perfect folds every time. In moments, you're left with tidy stacks ready for drawers or shelves. Cleaning the outside of your windows shouldn't require leaning out dangerously. This magnetic window cleaner lets you wash both sides of the glass at the same time. One piece stays inside, while the other glides along the outside, held together by powerful magnets. Adjustable magnetic strength helps it grip different window thicknesses securely. As you slide it across the glass, built-in sponges scrub away dirt, while rubber edges leave the surface clear and streak-free. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.